Outsiders without proper documents are being checked at the foreigners' police checkpost Jiribam. Around 300 individuals entered Manipur on daily basis.
Welcome to Times of Manipur.
Rice quota increased for Manipur. MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan laments that Manipur does not take any other PDS items other than rice. And senior BJP leader and former finance minister Arun Jaitley will be cremated at Nigam Bodh Ghat in New Delhi this afternoon. A very good afternoon to you all. I'm Colonel Sambandram presenting you this Sunday afternoon news. Now let's begin our bulletin with the top stories of today. Foreigners Police Checkpost Jiribam has been examining the outsiders who are entering the state without proper documents through an online mobile app. The police personnel in the checkpost at Jiribam Bridge has been checking people entering from Assam meticulously. Speaking exclusively to Impact News in
producing asi mayam su amungtang mahaw yengbi.
Strict visit as such, Jiribam police has been taking up strict security measures regarding the same. He added vehicles coming towards Imphal from Silchar are being checked 3 times at different areas from Jiribam Bridge till Lengang Pokpi, maintaining that around 300 people are entering Manipur on daily basis from other states through Jiribam. Lakesh Don stated those people are being checked with the help of an online mobile app. Lakesh Don also stated that at least 5 people without proper documents are being sent back every day from the checkpost. He appealed people to report to the nearby police station immediately if someone found any individuals without proper documents.
Imphal bukla chakado gari aiji de out passenger jing moina poraiba documents valid oibra incomplete oibra che chang je saraga force to lakra duplicate sar mayam lak bu jawi adu mayam do khoina online through online app se download tawraga mobile gi thang dagi online check tawga mi je amu akoina khidang dog leibo oigana ma je personally inquiry tawga hanga khotlaga sumbra khopra yenga fadan verify tawga movement tawni adu dei du da kaigumba mi je khoina verify tawda yadabdo aduduna moije documents je khoina asaba poragana khoina fazalaga maje chalhandaba khoi any illegal immigrants ku moigana moije pharaga akoina further verification gi damakta akoi concerned police station da piraga moije verify tawun.
MP of Inner Manipur Parliamentary Constituency, Dr. R.K. Ranjan, claimed that rice reserve of the state has been increased following the Consumers Protection Bill, which was passed during the first session of the 17th Lok Sabha. He was speaking at the 28th Foundation Day celebration of Consumers Club Manipur at Lamyan Bashang Lane today. MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan expressed disappointment that different states of the country have obtained various PDS products, including sugar, while the state has only acquired rice grain. He urged the people to raise their complaints over the insufficiency of PDS product in the state to Prime Minister Narendra Modi's mobile application. He appealed the consumers to execute their rightful duties and responsibilities.
Consumer amagi rights si karino habisi aikoi khangdaba yadabani habisima ai thamjaningi aikoi haibang amagi guts to thongna do aikoi leiba tai masigi damakta ne consumer club manipur na chahi kunipan sangna miyam khudimukta consumer gi rights se kadai bhog lege na aikoi da masigi awareness sama piri basa aikoi bu khangali basa masi thabak tai aikoi onthok mina si sima sarkar na piri scheme sida aikoi da minam aga pirak pasing do madu de khudak ta dum haibada hujiki prime minister sidi madu gi damakta leibane bharat ki tongan state singda kari polam singrabage adu singhudaba item do karam leibak no karam state no do adu su full san da pirage ya adu yengaga karigi singdrino kaidowai singdrino haibsina praja miyamna madumadi haibiro aduga loinana karigumba aingonda yathang pibiningba leiragaso dum pibiro aduga aina prajagi tawbangam singdudi ai tawnanaba honajage haise haraga kanju
Rotary Club of Infalt organized a tree plantation drive at the surroundings of Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences, JNIMS, today. Speaking to media, President of Rotary Club of Infalt, W. Rabi Chandra, stated that the tree plantation drive was held under the theme Save Mother Earth to curb climate change to some extent. He also assured of organizing such tree plantation drives in various parts of the state in future too. JNIMS staff took part in the event. Speaking to media, JNIMS Medical Superintendent Dr. N. Jitendra lauded the initiative of Rotary Club. He assured of taking up every possible measures to grow the tree sapling which were planted today.
कोई पृथ्वी से अहिंग असागी मरमदा खोंगई मैम खरदोइसु चेक तौब ngमननबा कोइना सेफ मदर आर्ट हाइबा थीम सिदैदा कोइना पांगथोकजबनी ngasi चौराकना कोइना मखम तोंगान तोंगानबा कोइगी उ मखल कोइना चहुम हेना कोइगी ट्री प्लानेशन ngसिदैदा कोइ थारे अमदि मखा ताना कोइ सथजगिनी
ngasi अखोइ जेनिम्स की दमकता दि याम लाइबा खबर नुमिनि अखोइगी सिटपा नानबा मथंग मथंग इम्फाल ईस्ट पुलिस ना सु तौबिखरे हौजिक आरसी इम्फाल ना अखोइ ngasi से उ पाम्बी फजा फजबा मयाम अमा ngasi अखोइगी अइंग असागी फिबम कन्ननबा अमसुंग जेनिम्स असिबो कोइना क्लीन जेनिम्स ग्रीन जेनिम्स अमा ओंथोकनबा पांदमदा होनजबनी अदुगा अखोइ पुलिसिंग दसु मतेंग निजखरे थारिबा उसिंगसे मोइना यंगछनबिबा इसिंग चाइबिबा अखोइनासु चलगा यंगछनबा अदो ngasiगी उसिंगसी हिंगनबासे उ थाबदो अखोइ पांदमनी अदुबो उ हिंद्रगदी उ थाबगी पांदम लैते अदुना थारिबा उसिंगसिसु हिंगनबगी अखोइ कन्न होनजगे हाबा सा थमजरी.
Health Minister Langpuk Lakpam Jayantakumar appealed people to own Chief Minister Gi Hakselgi Tengbang card by every eligible individual. He was speaking at the inaugural event of Mega Free Medical Camp organized by Kaisamthong NPP Development Committee and Pisumthong Ningombam Leikai Community Hall today. 20 doctors check of more than 1,000 individuals as well as Chief Minister Gi Hakselgi Tengbang cards were also distributed to few persons during the camp. Speaking at the event, Minister Jayantakumar stated that Chief Minister Gi Hakselgi Tengbang card, which was initiated acknowledging the plights faced by poor people in medical facilities, is booming. He further assured of organizing such mega health camp in various parts of Kaisamthong constituency in future too.
जगह जगह मेंबर्स ने तगदबा अदगी के काउंसिल तगदबन हाबिदु करी कनु मतम द मोइन कावदगी नत्र सोयबदगी तगु ngमहुदब यावरगसु सेमस्टी कार्ड असिदि इंडिविजुअल बेनिफिट फंगदव अमसुं लादेबि पंखे मनु लेब कांगबुसिंग द फंगदव बकले हेल्थ बेनिफिट ओइबनिना अखोइना सरकार ना डिपार्टमेंट आई सान अमसुं ओनबि चीफ मिनिस्टर ना खोइन पामजबद यारगे मिपुं गुनुमक लैदिबि मयाम सिंगसे मसि लोइनुमक राजनीति की खेनब अदुइ खेनब लोइना कौतोक पिरगा सेमस्टी कार्ड से मसे इट इज योर राइट नंगी राइट ने नंग फमम थोकनी अदन मदु लोगु थोकपिरो अदना मदुगी अपील लमा आई मयाम खुटांग मदु तौजगी अदन मदु लेप्सन.
Old Manipur Newspaper Sales and Distributors Association held its 38th Foundation Day celebration at Manipur Press Club today. Speaking at the event, General Secretary of the association, Eld Surjit, urged people to refrain from spreading misleading statements on the hawkers when the newspaper are not published. The association expressed unfortunate over the absence of Health Minister Langpuk Lakpam Jayantakumar in the event. Eld Surjit asserted that the event was mainly held to curb unemployment rates and developed work culture in the state. Chief Minister Gi Hakselgi Tengbang card were also distributed to the members of the association at the event. A book titled Sinfam Duda were written by member of the association S. Raghumani was also released on the occasion. Attendees paid a floral tribute to the late members of the association during the event.
Yoksang manung se suti numit humnidang tharaga nini ima tenjalaga ꯃꯗꯣꯝꯗ ꯂꯥꯛꯅꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯈꯕꯔ ꯐꯣꯡꯉꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯣꯏꯗꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯆꯒꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯔꯚꯤꯁ ꯁꯣꯏꯗꯅ ꯇꯧꯖꯒꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯀꯅꯥꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯟ ꯃꯦꯗꯤꯌꯥ ꯈꯔꯗꯤ ꯆꯍꯤ ꯆꯨꯞꯄ ꯈꯕꯔ ꯐꯣꯡꯉꯤꯒ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯐꯣꯡꯉꯤꯕꯁꯤꯅ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯕꯅꯣ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯐꯦꯛꯁ ꯕꯣꯗꯤꯁꯤꯡꯅꯁꯨ ꯃꯗꯨꯁꯨ ꯌꯦꯡꯁꯤꯜꯍꯟꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯁꯦꯟ ꯃꯔꯛꯇ ꯈꯔ ꯑꯃꯅ ꯈꯕꯔ ꯆꯠꯄ ꯈꯔ ꯑꯃꯅ ꯂꯦꯞꯄ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯁꯦꯟꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯛꯇꯁꯨ ꯑꯟꯗꯔꯁꯇꯦꯟꯗꯤꯡ ꯂꯩꯅꯗꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯊꯣꯛꯑꯦ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯊꯧꯗꯣꯛꯁꯤ ꯊꯣꯛꯇꯅꯕ ꯃꯁꯤꯃꯁꯨ ꯁꯤꯟꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯣꯀꯔꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯂꯤꯁꯥꯡ ꯁꯤꯠꯅ ꯆꯍꯤ 39 ꯁꯥꯔꯚꯤꯁ ꯇꯧꯖꯗꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯆꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯇꯥꯟꯅꯔꯝꯗꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯗꯤꯗꯤꯀꯦꯇꯦꯗ ꯍꯣꯀꯔꯒ ꯊꯝꯗꯅ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯀꯅꯥꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯁꯪꯒꯣꯝ ꯌꯣꯟꯕ ꯈꯔꯗꯁꯨ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯈꯕꯔ ꯄꯨꯍꯟꯗꯅꯒ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤꯗꯨꯕ ꯌꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯑꯊꯨꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯂꯦꯞꯄꯤꯌꯨ.
Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on last rites of Arun Jaitley to be performed at Nigambodh Ghat in New Delhi this afternoon. We will be back with details after the break. Until then, keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Afternoon News. Senior BJP leader and former finance minister Arun Jaitley will be cremated at Nigambodh Ghat in Delhi late today. His mortal remains are being brought to the party headquarters to pay their last respects. From the BJP headquarters, the mortal remains will be taken to Nigambodh Ghat on the bank of the Yamuna rivers for performing the last rites around 2:30 p.m. Arun Jaitley passed at AIIMS yesterday. The 66-year-old leader was undergoing treatment at the hospital where he was admitted on the 9th of this month. President Ramnath Kovind, Vice President Venkaiah Naidu, BJP President Amit Shah, Congress leader Sonia Gandhi and several politicians cut Sparsh Yojana at Tamfasana Higher Secondary School today. Taking part in the event, Superintendent of Post Office, Department of Post Manipur Division, KSH Ibomcha, stated that the competition aims to products used in postals. KSH Ibomcha asserted that 40 selected students from the competition will be provided a scholarship of 6,000 rupees each annually. Altogether, 163 students from the class 6 to 9 took part in the competition held for the third time in the state.
स्कीम से आगाम अमदा अखोइना चाही अमदा लुपा लिसिंग तरुक तरुक डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ पोस्ट की सहायता की पीजबनी यावरिबा आगामसिंग से स्कूल खुदिमक स्कूल अयाम्बा स्कूल मणिपुर की अयाम्बा स्कूल लगी अखोइना न्यूज़पेपर दा कैदा कैदा पब्लिश तौरगा मखोई कंपटीशन से याव लाकबनी असेंबदी मसी अखोगी डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ पोस्ट की फिलाटेली प्रोडक्ट से प्रमोट तौनलबगीदमक्तदा दीनदयाल फर्स्ट योजना हाइबा स्कीम से मागी ममिंग दीनदयाल अखोई पंडित दीनदयाल की ममिंग लौरगा हाइबा स्कॉलरशिप स्कीम से डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ पोस्ट न पीबनी.
Litan Police Station held a consultative meeting on illicit cultivation of poppy plants at the premises of the police station yesterday. Resource persons of the event, SP of Ukhrul District Police Ningsheng Rongam, Additional SP of Ukhrul Rocky Tolu and OC of Litan Police Stanley Kaishing stress on the harmful effects of opium consumption to human health. 25 top officials of 13 villages under the jurisdiction of Litan Police Station took part in the meet. A book entitled Lind Amashung Leichond, written by Dr. Nongmaithem Pramodini, was released today. Library and Information Center Kakching organized the event at the hold of the library in Fausupat Leikai in Kakching district. 9 short stories are included in the 166-page book, which is written in Meitei Mayek and Bengali language. Many people working in various fields attended the event. Manipur's players Dinku and Manjit entered final in voice doubled of Old India Junior Ranking Badminton Tournament held at Bangalore. In the semi-final match played yesterday, Dinku and Manjit defeated Telangana's Navanet Boka and Qadir Moinuddin Mohammed by 21-11, 17-21, 21-11 points. In today's final match, Dinku and Manjit will face Karnataka's Saneth DS and Prithvi Roy K. Well, that's all we have in this bulletin, but before we wind up, let's take a glimpse at the headlines once again. Outsiders without proper documents are being checked at foreigners' police checkpost, Jiriband. Around 300 individuals entered Manipur on daily basis. Rice quota increased for Manipur. MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan lamented that Manipur does not take any other PDS items other than rice. And senior BJP leader and former finance minister Arun Jaitley will be cremated at Nigam Bodh Ghat in New Delhi this afternoon. Thank you for being with us. For more news, you can also follow Impact TV on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. Until then, have a great Sunday afternoon.